Knock, knock.
Peekaboo. I see you. Want to come over and play another game? Come on in then. This is my house. All of my neighborhood friends come by to visit me here. We have play dates. I love playing games with my friends. Sometimes I even play jokes on them. What's that? It's not coming from under there. The knocking isn't coming from in here either. I wonder what that knocking could be. Aha! I think that someone might be knocking at my door. Maybe a visitor has come by. Wouldn't that be lovely? I adore having visitors. Who is it? Did you hear that? It sounds sharp and fast. Somebody's come over for a play date, but I can't tell who it is. Can you help me figure it out? Who goes there? Let's listen close to figure out who's knocking at my door. What animal sounds like that? Let's listen again. Ready? Aha! It sounds like a bird knocking with its beak. Can you think of a bird that knocks on wood with its beak? I know. A woodpecker. It must be my friend Willie the woodpecker at the door. This is my friend Willie. He is a bird and lives in a tree. He's a woodpecker and spends a lot of time knocking on the tree with his beak, just the way he's knocking on my door. Have you come to visit the one and only Tillie? That's me. My name is Tillie.
Hi. Is Tillie home?
I was right. My friend Willie the woodpecker has come by for a visit. Of course Tillie is home. I'm right here. Come on in.
Isn't this a nice surprise, Tillie?
It sure is. I'm so glad that you pecked on my door.
Anytime.
We figured it out. It was my friend Willie the woodpecker at the door. I'm glad you came over to play with me. Come by again. You never know who will visit next time.
Bye-bye.